Agile2023 the Scotland experience, and I'm here in Edinburgh already, ready to welcome you to the conference in July. My name is Craig Coburn, and let me introduce my co-host.
Hi, everyone. I'm Vinnie, and on behalf of Agile Alliance, Agile2020 the Scotland experience, Craig, this is where we do the Scotland experience, and Felix can't join us. Yes, you'll have to do it like that. So we have a very special guest today, Felix. Felix, you are in Germany, but you're actually Spanish. So Felix, welcome. ¿Qué pasa?
Hey, hola. Thanks for having me. I'm very excited to be in Edinburgh this summer. I'm really looking forward to talk about some ways of solving problems, but explaining how and why did the person who came up with a special framework came to that conclusion. And in the meantime, we will talk about zombies and kids, little kids, madness, scientists, many things. But that's going to be great. It's going to be fun, I think, and it's going to be also a great way of learning.
Agile zombies, but in a good way, right?
Yes. Zombies are cool. So yeah, kind of in a bad way.
Yeah, and of course Edinburgh's got this big tradition of ghosts and tours and Jekyll and Hyde and all that, so it kind of fits into that too. But
I guess.
Oh yes.
So go ahead, Craig. I know you have this.
Yeah, so I was just wondering. So what made you kind of submit for this conference? It's the first time it's run in this format, and I hear you're a first-time speaker as well.
Yes. So it was kind of a series of things that ended up in me applying. And yeah, I think it's going to be, as I said, it's going to be great, and the topic fits. And I'm also really excited about the rest of the speakers. There are many interesting topics as well. So I'm also looking forward not to just speak, but also to be listening and learning and, spending the time together, which is also great about conferences in person, right? It's not just about listening. You can do that online. It's about experiencing.
Yeah, so as part of the Scotland experience, I think Vinnie's got something that she wants to show us.
Well, I have two things, Felix, and you get extra points if you get it right. What do you think this breed of dog is?
Oh my goodness. Let's see. I don't know what is that.
Well,
Is it Violet is an animal at all?
Well, it's kind of like a tartan. It's like a wee pin. It's well, Craig knows this. Craig.
It's a Westie, is it?
It is. It is a Westie. It is a Westie, and of course I've got my practice chanter here, and everybody's just
we're all getting ready. I've got my pocket thistle here.
Yeah,
and I'm a little bit of tartan ready. Coburn tartan, same as Alistair Coburn Agile Manifesto, and my hat. So you can stock up on all your merchandise and whatever when you're here. But are you thinking of seeing anything of the Edinburgh or Scotland or the surroundings when you're here?
Oh yes, I'm definitely was very upset about the idea of leaving Edinburgh on the same day of, on Tuesday when the conference finishes. So I'm staying just for another day, but it should at least give me the chance to have a bit of a look, because this is one of these cities that you never kind of make it. So I'm really happy about having the chance of just walking around. Actually, I don't even have a plan. Just want to walk around and see how is the downtown and the castle and whatever it pops up. I don't know.
Okay.
And I hear there's a ceilidh as well, so there might be a bit of dancing organised. So to join in.
I'm ready for it.
So Felix, kilts, whiskey or haggis? Which one? Or all three?
I'm adventurous. Actually, after having heard so long about Higgish, I think I need to try that. Once I tried in Japan a big tuna eye in a soup. So if I could eat that, I think Higgish cannot be that bad. So I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's a very special thing. So then in that order, yeah. So Higgish drinking a bit of whiskey and maybe wearing a kilt. Why not? Why not? If not in Edinburgh, where?
Right.
All right.
So Sláinte, as we say, health to your health.
Exactly.
And
Well, I have to learn that.
and so it's been great speaking to you, and thanks for coming in. And you know, hope you have a great talk and a great experience.
Thank you very much. Looking forward to seeing everyone in person. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.